Good morning. Myself Dinesh Vashesh. I am representing Shaktiman as Chief Sales and Marketing Officer. In '97, this company started with manufacturing of rotary tillers, and since then, in 15 years' time, it became the world's largest manufacturer of rotary tillers. And during this process, we have introduced many new concepts to Indian agriculture, wherein those kind of machines were not seen in Indian farming, starting from seedbed preparation, sowing, planting, crop management, crop harvesting and crop residue management. There are quite number of applications. There the priorities are different, but some of the products are there where the weight of the machine, compactness, where we want the machine to be very light, but the power weight ratio should be good enough. The engine should be compact so that the machine is not becoming bulky. India, is a market where people look for reliable products, so that focus remains over there. And of course, it has to be supported with very good after-sales market. Kohler engines we had been using in two of our products. One is self-propelled high-clearance boom sprayer. We are proud to say that that was the first time being introduced in Indian agriculture by any manufacturer. And in that particular application, we needed an engine which has to be compact, which has to lightweight, because the application weight of the machine, we want to control it so that the sinking is not there. And another product wherein we are using Kohler engines is self-propelled platform, wherein it is being used for pruning of trees and plucking of the fruits. Again, another innovative product for Indian agriculture. And both these products, not only we are selling in India, but we are exporting in Shaktiman a large number of countries, both these products with Kohler engine. The agriculture is there for all seasons. We use this product. Maybe in 45-48 degrees Celsius temperature also these machines are being used. When we use the high clearance boom sprayer protector or platform in overseas market, they work into the sub-zero temperatures also. We have quite number of projects. I can tell you this is a 600 liter machine. We are looking for a big brother 900 liter machine. So therein again we may be looking for Kohler engines. Why Kohler is the right partner? I think, as I mentioned you earlier, this is the engines what they offer are a quite good fit, and in terms of vision and in terms of approach to the market, I think both these organizations we share common things. Both Shaktiman and Kohler we share common things, common vision is there, and so far we had been seeing that okay, product performance is good, product support is good. That's what we need.